Okay, so guys, this Rubik's Cube is an optical illusion. So this is called the Fisher Cube, and this is called the optical illusion because look, it has more than 3 shapes. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's hard to tell if you can solve the green or red. So look, this if you put to the left, this is white, but if you put to the right, this is green. So left and right, left and right. And there's even more optical illusion. So what makes this cube so tricky is the optical illusion. So I think it would take me months or even years to solve it. So thanks for watching, bye bye.